Hello students, today we will discuss and perform the test of carbonate ion, that is acidic radical, and it is present in the first group, and the reagent for the first group is dilute acid. So first of all we will take some aqueous salt and add some dilute HCl. A brisk effervescence of CO2 will form. This will indicate the presence of carbonate ion. We will pass the CO2 through lime water, then lime water will turn milky, and this also shows the presence of carbonate ion. The excess of CO2 will be passed through lime water. The milky solution turns clear and it will confirm the carbonate ion. Another test for the presence of carbonate is also that aqueous salt in aqueous salt some phenolphthalein indicator drops are added and they show the pink coloration. So this will also be the presence test of carbonate. So let's perform the experiment. Students, so let's check how the carbonate ion is detected. Take some carbonate salt with the help of a spatula in a dry test tube. Now add some dilute hydrochloric acid with the help of dropper in it. Here we can see a colorless gas is evolving from the test tube with bubbles. As you can hear the brisk effervescence. So this gas may be the CO2, maybe the CO2 gas. Now add some lime water to the solution and let's check what happens. As you can see, the solution becomes milky. The solution becomes milky. This confirms that carbonate ion is present. Carbonate ion is present. Let's have some another test. This is a red litmus paper, and this litmus paper dipped in the solution. The carbonate ion being basic in nature, it will turn red litmus to blue litmus. So let's make an aqueous solution of the carbonate salt. An aqueous solution of carbonate salt and check the litmus paper becomes greenish. Litmus paper becomes greenish, it means it is basic in nature. It is basic in nature. Let's have another test of carbonate ion in the aqueous solution of carbonate. In the aqueous solution of carbonate, add some phenolphthalein indicator. As we can see, it turns pink. Pinkish color is observed. This indicates the basic nature of carbonate. The basic nature of carbonate. Take some aqueous solution of carbonated salt again. Add some barium chloride and white PPT occurs again. So this is the confirmatory test for the carbonate ion. So this is the test for carbonate ion.